Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and we are doing the metallics again. Following on from the last video where I did a larger canvas using my blacks white mix. The lacing worked out beautifully, but I felt like there was just too much white because I used white as my base. So the colours that we've got, in case you haven't seen that video, are Gunmetal Grey, Silver, Copper, Rose Gold, Gold and Deco Art Pearl. I didn't see this show up in the last video, and I've got this colour here, which is everything that I scraped up after the last painting, and it's made this beautiful light grey colour. So what I'm thinking of doing here is using that as a base, pouring puddles, but leaving a bit of the grey in there. I'll show you what I mean when I pour it, and then swiping through. And I'm hoping the pearl against the grey will show up a lot better. So let's get started. Okay. So I'm going to pour this grey on. And I'm going to spread that out a bit. Not too much though. And then I'm going to add some puddles of colour. Looks like I haven't mixed that quite well enough. I might add more because I'm going to be able to use the scrapings again from this, I guess. Alright, let's put some puddles on. I'm just doing small puddles today. Okay, that looks very different, doesn't it? Are we happy with that? Let's give that a whirl. I hope that's enough paint. It might not be because I've got the deep base. Definitely need to do these corners. All right, here we go. Let's turn it around. watch this. I think I need... I'll kind of save this bit here. I'm going to take that, actually I'll take this side off first. It's very kind of silvery. I actually don't think I want to do anything with this one. I'm looking forward to seeing how the pearl dries. Okay, I'm going to clean up the edges and then I'll show you the wet results. Okay, here is the wet result, and a lot more colour in this one. It's still fairly neutral, and it's quite grey, but the pearl is definitely standing out a lot more against the grey. I kind of wish I didn't have this grey bit going through here and spreading through the lacing here. Would have been probably nicer to have a silver, but yeah, some nice stuff going on. I'm looking forward to seeing this one dry. I want to see that pearl pop because there's pearl going through here as well. So my negative space is kind of the pearl. So I will show you when it's dry. Okay, here is the dried result. And you'll see when I tilt it, we have some shine. That's really cool. That makes this piece beautiful. Even up here, there's a bit of that champagne. Well, actually, no, I think it was the rose gold. Yeah. And then we've got, like here, is the just the straight grey, and that doesn't shine. So it might have been nicer to be silver, but I think that might be silver through there. It's just got a little bit of shine, but the pearl is definitely popping. So it's cool, and I love the black lacing in this. You can see it's very detailed through here, and it's I like it's quite dark through there. I think that's really cool. And then there's this line going through here. The gold. I don't know what's happening here. That's really unusual. So that's kind of interesting. Yeah. So this one actually worked out all right. Kind of surprised. But that's the nature of acrylic pouring, isn't it? Sometimes you get some little surprises. Yeah. All right, so that's it for this one. The next one will be a little bit different. You'll see. So yeah, I will see you all in the next one. Bye.